I'm going to Toronto today. Yes, I am in bed. I didn't just wake up. I've just been sitting on my bed. And yeah, oh my gosh, I have such a bad morning voice. I have such a bad morning voice. Mornings are the worst for me because I'm really sad about my cat. I need to shower, and I put in a load of laundry this morning, and I'm gonna have to turn that over, and then I'm gonna have to pack, and then we're gonna leave. So, but as I said before, I'm pretty sad, and it's the worst. It's the worst in the morning. So hopefully I'll be able to get cheered up and not be sad, you know. I just had my shower and I turned over the laundry. Now I just need to pack my blanket and pillow, my makeup, my nail stuff, my clothes, all that kind of stuff, and then I will be ready to go. Oh, and by the way, it's not just me going, it's my older sister and my younger sister are both going. So I just packed, as you saw in that little, oh, my hair's stuck. So I just finished packing, as you saw in that clip earlier. I'm just gonna plug in my phone, charge it. I have to empty out my backpack. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna bring my backpack. I have like a smaller bag that I'm gonna bring just so I can like carry around my phone and some money. I just warmed up some Thai Express and I'm super excited to eat this. All done. Yeah. Okay, I don't know when the last time I talked to you guys was. We're getting everything out of the van. Sorry, I'm just gonna awkwardly put you here. Getting everything out to the van. We're gonna drive. Wow, this is a flattering angle. We're gonna drive we're driving to our church, sorry. And from our church, we're going to drive to Toronto. You're giving that to Jesus? Yeah. Okay. So we got everything into the van. Other than the air mattresses that we're gonna have to pack to sleep on. If you couldn't tell, I'm insanely stressed out, nervous. This is the first time that I'm ever gonna go to Toronto, and I'm stressed out. Hey guys! Okay, see a van that someone's taking us. That made no sense. Oh, so we made it to the church, and so we made it to our church, and someone that I don't know, which is kind of terrifying, is gonna drive us to Toronto. Wait, Toronto, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so we're inside the church, and I am inside the sanctuary, so it's really echoey. I'm gonna move my stuff into the van that we're going with. I'm going with one of my friends. Yes! I'm excited, so yeah. Asking about, are you filming me? I'm just filming this because this is the stupidest conversation I have ever heard. Okay. It's so hard for some reason. I don't understand what coffee granules are meant to mean. Look, I have like 4 English people trying to explain it to me, and none of them make any sense. You all suck, okay? Like, what does it mean? Like, you know what a ground of coffee means. Yeah, I just explained that to you. I get my, she said ground? Yeah, no, she said like, it's like powder. She said, yeah, no, okay, she said the powder, but they're grainy. Like, what does that mean? English? Yeah, look. Because there's no proper English. Powder.
Okay, so say, oh, I get it, comma.
But she doesn't.
At the store, in store.
Just sounds not English. Put words together.
I'm dating her friend. She knows I can speak English. Can't be like, je m'excuse, je comprends pas l'anglais, je comprends pas, je m'excuse. No, she's gonna be like, no, I don't speak English. See, like, when people, like, come up to me on the street and they're like, can you, like, give me money? I'm like, oh, je comprends pas.
I have no idea how to
speak English. Je comprends pas l'anglais. No English.
Oh my gosh, you just reminded me, there was this dude on the side of the road that was like, I need gas money to go to Toronto.
Oh, man. He must have been having some trouble.
And it was his kid with him.
That was not his kid.
Out of the coffee machine.
No, that's the drink.
Oh my God.
What are you talking about?
She doesn't grind it at home.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So she doesn't grind it at home. So when you take a scoop of the brown
Look at my nail.
stuff,
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I cut you off. That's not what I meant. I'm sorry. We're just gonna like exit and look like I'm not acting.
Quality content.
Give me a demo.
That's what you do.
This is how you call it.
Falling in fashion. Falling in style. Why do you need this? Look at that.
How's the chip so far? How's the chip?
We got the A&W Mama Burger with a Sprite from A&W. Oh wait, we have fries, I forgot. And we got fries too. Fun. Careful, don't put it. This is really good. This is how you do it right. Yum.
we are stopped at another stop to get dinner, but I'm not very hungry, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get anything. I'll probably just get something small, but yeah, this is just another update. And by the way, I'm not going pee. I'm standing up. I'm just in the stall. Why is it you guys that always correct me? Like, nobody else corrects me.
I would like the pear tip. There's your beautiful. Where's the toy? Is that a toy?
9. That's right. 6 is afraid of 7. Okay.
I would think 9 would be.
Yay! That looked good.
Instead of plastic here, so
Take space.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. You should just tape your phone to the window. Oh my gosh, it does! Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh, this is the wrong way. You can't see anything barely.
Wow.
That is a ginormous chart. Is the glowing cross. He is. He's right there. He can't see. We made it to Toronto. We made it to Toronto. Yeah. Everyone just like bump into my cousin here.
Come on, let's worship. Let's live. I felt like I was going to die when I got off the plane. The Lord sustained me. I'm from Florida where it's very, very warm.
Very humid, without any mosquitoes, and there I was sort of formed into the man that I am today, or at least in part. My mother, a godly woman.
Hey, what I want to talk about this morning is around a specific word. And
the word is perseverance. Now, I learned a lot about perseverance from my brother Kevin, because Kevin has spent the last 4 years, my older brother, fighting brain cancer. And one of the things that
Oh, mine? Oh, time started. Stop sharing. My session is called, Did Jesus Really Rise from the Dead?
Really nice.
Professional executioners who are trying to make sure that Jesus died and their lives are actually on the line.
We're going to IKEA again. Yay. That was weird. We got our meals. I forgot to film when we started eating. And then I got this drink, which is really good. She also got it. What is this? Ooh, that's pretty. The sky.
Come on. Hey, well, your name was what?
Others, and His love will never let us down. Do you believe that? How many people love KB today?
See your boy can't wear. Hope the worst when they tell me go and break a leg.
What? No, we're not going. That was fun.
I know you had a lot of fun this weekend. I was struggling with what I need to say for you.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, we got pizza. Wow, this is really outgoing.
Wait,
Thanks, Matthew. It's your French coming out.
Wait, what's in that bag?
This? Yeah. That's popcorn.
You open this?
Yes. Yeah, they're doing their thing over there. So we're leaving. We're gonna stop for lunch soon, and yeah, we're eating here. Everyone's wishing us well, which is, you know, nice.
When are we popping bags at the grocery store? When are we?
Lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like you're type to be on the floor.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Minion ones $3, and then these ones are $17.
Because no one puts minions at a high worth. Everyone hates them.
Where am I? Is this?
That isn't a mirror. Did you think that was a mirror? Yes.
We got these like pancake waffle things, and they look really good. I'm so excited. Yours looks so round and like cute, like a butt. It looks like bubble wrap too. It's so weird.
There's nothing left inside since you ate my heart out.